This is the ICETEK vacuum sealer, and some of the specs on it is an emphasis is better separated moist dry, lock or release automatically, and customized vacuum mood. Now you can see the power is a lot, and what I'm going to do is prop my phone up. I'm going to record as soon as I show you what actually came in the package. 2 like cutters, directions, and these 2 sealers. So these are external sealers, and I don't have the accessories to go with that yet. But what you would do is plug those in, and then plug this into like a bag or an accessory that it would go into. And then there's also the one that goes on a bottle. So this is made for a bottle, and you would use the external vacuum. You would plug that in, and then you would sit this on top of a bottle to get any air out. So let's check it out and see how it works. Alright, so here are the different choices. You have the external vacuum, which I showed her with the accessories. A vacuum, a seal, a dry, and a moist. So dry items would be something like these pistachios, which I'll show you how to do those here in a second. Moist would be something like these apples. I'm going to show you how to do both of them and just show you how to get started and a little bit of how it works. So if you open this up, first of all, if it doesn't open up, you push this button on the side, it unlocks it. Now when you put your paper in, you just want to put it across this black strip. So when I start, it's not sealed. So in order to seal it, you're going to put it over this little black strip. You're just going to shut the door, and you're going to actually get to hear what it's like. I'd say let it hang out just a little bit. You snap it down, and then you pick the option to seal, and that gets it started. So I'm waiting for this red light to go off, and it'll release, okay? And it releases automatically. Again, if you can't get it up, you want to push this button on the side. It releases, and you can see the seal. It's clean, nice seal. So that'll get you started. Now, the reason why you have these cutters is so you can cut the bag to the width that you want to cut it. So you always want about an extra 2 to 3 inches probably hangover, so it can get cut up in between or up into the ceiling area. I gotta get away from the camera so I can do this. Alright, so I'm gonna hold here tight, and then it just pulls across. Once you get it started, it's easy. I'm gonna throw these pistachios in there. Let's just say I don't want them for a while. You just lay it over the black, shut it, and now because this is a dry item, I'm going to pick the option that says dry. You gotta wait for the red seal light to go off because it's sealing, and then it'll release. Okay, so push the button, release it, and you can see how nice and tight that is. So I did apples earlier just to save time and to show you, like, so if I can take these and give them to my kids for lunch, that'd be fantastic. And this has been a little while that they've been in there, so it looks like they're keeping their color for the most part, and this will be able to travel with that. So that is the ICETEK vacuum sealer. Thanks for watching.